Hello everyone. Today we will be studying about the angle of the anterior chamber. Why this topic is important is because it has been asked in various DNB question papers, in MS papers, in diploma papers, and it is a very important topic for optometry as well and for Viva also. So let's start with the topic. So if you want to learn about the angle, first you need to know how the eye is divided. So this is the cornea and this is a cut section of the eye, and here there is the iris here, and this is the ciliary body. So this is cornea and this is the iris. This is the ciliary body, and here we draw the lens. Okay, and these are the zonules. Okay, now see, the eye is divided into two segments. These two segments are the anterior segment and the posterior segment. So here the anterior lens capsule, anything anterior to it is the anterior segment, and anything posterior to it is the posterior segment. Okay, now you should know that this anterior segment has been further divided into two chambers, the anterior chamber and the posterior chamber. So the area between the posterior surface of the iris and the anterior surface of the lens, this area is the posterior chamber, and the area between the anterior surface of the iris and the posterior surface of the cornea, this is the anterior chamber. This anterior chamber is very important. Why, we will see. Now see that the cornea, the posterior surface of cornea and anterior surface of the iris, they are meeting at a point, and this is like an angle. So this is the angle of the anterior chamber, and this small structure is very important in the pathogenesis or in the causation of glaucoma. That is why understanding the basics of this structure is very, very important. So not only for exam point of view, for understanding and for clinical practice also, this is very important.